Hello YouTube. In this video we will do differential fluid change on BMW E39 Differential. First step is of course to lift the car up. Then locate filler plug on the back side of the differential. Clean the filler plug with small screwdriver to remove any excess dirt and rust that accumulated in there over the years of driving. We used also some brake cleaner and rag to help to dissolve dirt even more. This ensures that your hex bead socket will sit in nicely and you won't damage the filler plug when untightening. Size of hex bead is 14 mm for filler and drain plug. Now you can untighten filler plug. Always remove filler plug first, as if you have trouble removing it and you already drained out fluid, your car is stuck on lift. With filler plug removed, you can now repeat procedure for drain plug. Clean the plug and untighten. Drain fluid into your oil drain pan. Take a note that on every plug there is aluminium sealing washer. You should use new ones when doing this job. Outside diameter of those sealing washers is 27 mm. Inside is 22 mm. If you reuse old sealing washers, your differential can leak. You can see here how deformed old ones became over the years. After oil stops dripping out, you can install drain plug back on, with new sealing washer of course. Tighten it a bit with ratchet, then use torque wrench. Torque is 70 Nm according to service manual. For filling of the differential, you need 2 liters of 75 W90 gear oil. All of it won't get used, but at the end, just small part of it is left. Use syringe for oil and pump fluid into differential. When fluid starts pouring out of the filling hole, you know that fluid level is correct. Insert filling plug with new sealing washer. Torque to 70 Nm. Use a bit of brake cleaner and shop rag to clean oil residue. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.